is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Binh. This is Pho Che La Bode. I think, I don't know, but I know that means vegetarian pho. So that's what we're doing today on the big show. It's from Vietnam. Let's open her up, fill her in. So we've got rice noodle. We have a convenient fork. And we have 1, 2, 3 sachets. So let's get these in here. There we go. So there's the vegetable. And here is the powder base. Yeah, these guys make some interesting varieties. I had one recently that they sent that was kiwi flavor, of all things. They have a kiwi one. They have a hodl noodle. It was like themed with Bitcoin. I guess hodl stands for hold on for dear life. I guess that means like don't sell. There was like a whole thing saying that like Bitcoin is tanking now. I don't know. I know nothing about blockchain, blah 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 blah. It's just a way for rich people to get richer, I figure. I don't want to get brokerer. And then our rice noodle. So, where's that line? Where is the line? It's on the outside. I hope it's not. It must be. I like it when they put it on the inside so you can see it, you know? Can we, how many minutes? Let's see. I'll use you as a magnifier. Can you read that? I can't read that. Hold on. So I'm back. Big thanks for assistance from my wife. Let's add in the Wawa. Ooh, sorry, camera. All right, it's 3 minutes. Sure this is all in here good. Lid on. Set her for 3. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. I don't have the. Yeah. So now we're cooking vegetable pho here on the big show. But yeah, eventfulness all around me. It's fun and fantastic. Yeah, so what is going on. Got a poster made from my review 4001, A Spice Odyssey, that was kind of themed with Dune and Kubrick's 2001. It was for the pumpkin spice cup noodles, so I finally was able to get it over to the place to get it laminated, so that'll be going up pretty quick. I'm stoked. That poster came out really good. Pumpkin spice cup noodles. I still got a crap load of those. I need to do something with that. I do. Truly, I must. And it's 10:05 a.m. here. It's the second one of the day for me. Today, yeah, I'm gonna go get that poster. Hopefully they did it. Office Max. Yeah. Kind of weirds me out. We used to go to, I used to get posters from companies all the time. I was always asking them for them. And they sent me some really neat instant noodle advertisements. And I'd get them laminated at Costco. Well, Costco got rid of their print center. And it was cheap there. I'm like, I have no idea how much Office Max is going to want. And I don't know what the quality of lamination, if it's like that cheesy school stuff that's like all bumpy and weird and really thin, or if it's gonna be the heavy stuff like I really like. So we'll see. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully it comes out well. And yeah. Found out yesterday, turns out the landlord plays Pokemon Go. What else? Not much. Well, not that I'm going to tell you in this episode. It'll be the next episode, because the next episode will take longer to cook. So I'll be able to really give you a full rundown of the ridiculousness of the day prior. But you'll want to watch tomorrow's episode if you know what's good for you. If you don't watch it, then there's no hope for you. But yeah. Oh. Found out that the next definitive guide that I'm gonna do, the next definitive guide I think I'll be doing will be Mama Tom Yum. And it turns out it's the 50th anniversary this year of Mama Tom Yum. So that's just like perfect. So that'll be coming sometime soon. Well, for you, it's probably already out. This doesn't look bad. The broth looks quite nice. The vegetable seems to be twirling along. Let's give it a go. Okay. I like the noodles slightly softer. There's a lot of bits of veggie in here. Okay, so over the years, vegetable flavor has come in many different ways. Like a lot of the time, it's all mushroom. This one is a very buttery vegetarian one, which actually it's pretty good. I'm enthused. And oftentimes I am really not enthused with pho varieties. They just don't float my boat. But I think this one will do in a pinch. Since it's a veggie one, I'm gonna add veggies. I wish I had more. I thought, I forgot that I threw away my coriander, aka cilantro, yesterday. And a little bit of basil would have been nice, but I don't have it. I ain't got it. Since it's pho, I'm gonna add the obligatory spoo of you know what that is. I don't have to tell you what that is. Sriracha. some seeds. And some crushed red pepper. You know, I should add more. I should. That's enough of it. Don't need to skimp. Why skimp on the scallion? Why do it? Let's see. Ooh, that didn't work out well. I gotta move that, and then I gotta move this, and then I gotta go like that, right? Kind of. Yeah, I think that's what I'm settling on, is right there. Enjoy the rotation. Thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see, and a full story of the craziness of yesterday, will be included in that video, folks. We got sesanood spicy. Say spicy, spicy. It's Taiwanese made. It's for the U.S. market. Yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.